wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah. I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me.
Hey son, this dad just calling to say happy birthday. You know I'm out here working, you know, couldn't make it this year, but hopefully you enjoying the birthday gift, and I'll see you soon, all right? Enjoy your birthday, love you. Happy birthday.
Don't tell the story was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back, sometimes I won't. Yeah. I feel good, sometimes I don't.
Happy birthday, William. I'm so proud of you. I can't believe you're 11, but then again I can, because you're very smart, very confident, and very capable. I love you so, so much. Game on.
Bad things, it's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish.
Well, I can say a heck of a lot, but I'm just going to say it simply, happy birthday. And may God bless you in all your endeavors and be successful. But there's also one thing I have to say. Pele was my best. He was my football player and one of the greatest soccer players ever. Look him up. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day, little Will. Love you, man. Hope to see you soon.
Imagine if I never met the broskies. God's plan, God's plan. I can't do this on my own. Hey, nope.
Ooh, oh, sorry. Oh, hey William. Happy 11th birthday. I'm so proud of you and I'm so proud to be your sister. I love you so much and I hope you really enjoy your birthday with your friends in your game truck. Love you so much. I gotta get back to my game.
Happy birthday! I love you and I hope you have a great birthday and be safe.
Bad things, it's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah.
Happy birthday, William!
What it do, chill, Will, baby? Eat some cake and ice cream for your boy. Holla.
Have an awesome day, buddy. We miss you. Bye.
Peace.
Hey nephew, this Auntie LaShawn. I just want to wish you a happy birthday and many more. I love you.
Nice shot, young man. Nice shot.
I'm recording myself driving it.
Are you?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Grab it. Follow me. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Okay.
Average game truck parties are a virus, but gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.